Guys, today I'll be showing you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A05 password incorrect. So we're going to connect your Samsung Galaxy A05 to a PC, a laptop or a desktop. Connect it. Then you're going to see the charging logo. So what we're going to do, we're going to press the volume down and power button. Volume down, power button. Keep holding. You can let go, then hold the power plus. You let go, power plus and volume down. You let go. Okay, you're gonna see factory data reset. Use the volume button to select, then use your power button as your entry key. Then you're gonna see factory data reset. Use the volume down to select, then use the power button to enter as your entry key. Then you're gonna see data wipe completed. As you can see, we have finally hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A07. So you reboot now, use the power button as the entry key. Then we have successfully hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A07. We have finally hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A07. Every single thing in the phone has been wiped out, back as new. So you can decide to set up your new device. Thanks for watching, guys. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment the phone you're having issues with.